Have you seen a whale in the sky? If not, then meet the Airbus BelugaXL. Based on the Airbus A330-200F freighter, the BelugaXL is 63 meters long, with a wingspan of 60 meters. Thanks to its oversized fuselage, this cargo plane has 30% more capacity than its predecessor, the Beluga Steam. This allows it to transport two 350 XWB wings simultaneously, or even other outsized cargo for special missions. The machine is powered by two Rolls-Royce Trent 700 turbofan engines. What do you think of this Airbus?
War machines.